What's going on in our water? Endangered fish are washing up dead. Others were just acting weird. Thanks for sticking with us here. I'm Nicole Gabe.
And I'm Russ McCaskey. And now scientists are testing the water to see if they can solve this mystery. Wink News reporter Liz Byro joins us now in studio. Liz, there's big money behind solving this.
Yeah, Russ, state lawmakers have allocated $2 million to figure out what's going on. I mean, between endangered sawfish deaths, stingrays swimming upside down, and other fish swimming erratically, more than a dozen species of fish are acting strange, and scientists believe the problem is something in our water. So I tagged along with one of the groups working to get answers. Offshore of Long Key, between South Islamorada and the north end of Marathon, the water is crystal clear. What's causing the alarming number of sawfish deaths in the area is not.
And what's been really sad is that it hasn't even really been like the sawfish babies really that have been washing up. It's been all these really pretty, 8 to 10 foot adults that have just been beaching themselves.
Rachel Scheinbeckler, a graduate student at FGCU, is one of many researchers trying to solve the mass mortality mystery. This one beached itself off Geiger Key in late January. It died within a few hours. It's just one of at least 20 reported to FWC over the last few months. Typically, we see 4 or 5 a year. FGCU's Adam Katasu says those deaths come amidst an outbreak of unusual fish behavior. Stingrays swimming upside down, grouper swimming on its side, fish literally doing backflips. FWC has close to 200 reports of nearly a dozen species acting strange.
I would compare it to seeing a fish in water seizing, and they just are randomly swimming in all directions when they're stimulated.
The fact so many fish are affected suggests to scientists it's something in the water. To solve the mystery, they're going below the surface. 60 feet down, these FGCU scientists collected macroalgae like seaweed and fish to test for toxins. They're looking for Gambier discus, a single-cell algae that causes ciguatera poisoning, a type of seafood poisoning.
We have a lot of baseline data, but this is the highest we've seen of the Gambier discus cells in the Keys. We don't know if it's the main cause. We have no idea if it's like this is the smoking gun. We don't know.
But it's the highest level they've seen around the Keys in over a decade. And it may be the best lead scientists have right now.
We're collecting as many samples as possible to try and answer as many questions as we can.
Tox analysis takes a very long time. It'll be months before those results are back. Now, the spottings of fish acting strange and sawfish deaths have now moved past the Keys. If you see anything like it out on the water, you can report it to FWC's Fish Kill Hotline.